Hi everyone, a short video to let you know how you can transform your back coverage on 𝗂𝗲𝗂. Let's start. An example of what you can do if you want to have a little bit more less coverage on the back bottom. For instance, a very simple alteration would be to just erase all curve lines here, which you can do, of course, and you can already see the difference here. I'm gonna simulate. You can already see the difference. And of course, if we still want to do it a little bit more coverage, never mind this is not the final one, but it's similar. Imagine that we still want to give a little bit more coverage, and we have a video for that on our YouTube channel that is completely and all about changing the coverage on the back. But I'm just gonna show you, just so you know, for instance on this one, how would I do. So let me just align this one, the side seams. I mean, this shouldn't be here. Sorry, my software sometimes takes a little bit time. Okay, so I'm gonna match these two. I don't know why it's not working. Match, not align, match two ends. And of course we want to curve a smooth connection between the front and the back, so that on the side seam this doesn't have a steep angle. So imagine that I remove the curves just like we did on the other sides. And now imagine that I reshape the curve, for instance like this. You could already see it happening here. I'm gonna redo. You see? I'm gonna show you on this angle, probably like so. Imagine I do something like this. So you can already see the result. Of course, I would then have to change also the curve here, because of course now you have a steep angle here and it's not smooth at all. So of course I would have to change this, but you can already see more or less the amount of changes you can do if you want to change the pattern. I could also make this a little bit smaller, like 1 centimeter, and I would also of course need to do the same on the front here. Remove 1 centimeter from each side. And of course I would have to do the same on this one. And I'm sure you can now see that there's a lot of difference on the way this looks on the bottom and the coverage that it has. But this was just for me to give you an example of course you can then transform your swimsuit pattern 𝗂𝗲𝗂 into a less coverage on the back if you want to, and it's very easy to do it. So if you really want to go ahead and do it, you can follow this tutorial, or you can watch our tips and tricks where I teach you exactly how to do this with the swimsuit with the bikini bottom pattern 𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗏. And now that's it for today, girls.